In Nilay Letranista, module number 3. Sa module na to, I experienced both success and challenging, lalo na sa journey ko when it comes to faith. And success was deepening my understanding to trust in God the Father through prayers, reflections, and also discussion in class. And nakaramdam ako ng connection with Him, grow stronger as I learn to recognize His presence in daily life. On the other hand, I face struggling to fully trust God's plan during difficult situation, wherein moments when I question why certain things happen, and it was hard to surrender everything to Him completely. And these successes and failures made me feel like I'm grateful, humbled. At the same time, I am grateful for the times when I was able to strengthen my faith, and I am humbled by my failures as they remind me that trusting God is a continuous journey that requires patience and openness.